Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm excited to feel you are here. I'm sure next 5 minutes will be most rewarding to you as you will be increasingly rewarded for rest of your life. We will today discuss on how to stop procrastination. Enjoy impact of network compounding. Procrastination is the enemy of progress. It is voluntarily delaying your course of action. If you procrastinate often, you will not be able to complete your tasks as well as you will miss the benefits of continuity in actions. You may forget many useful clues. Stop procrastinating and enjoy cumulative success. Few major causes of procrastination may be cited as lack of goal setting, lack of organizing ability, going for perfection, fear for failures and criticism, lack of ability to prioritize works like a chicken, lack of scheduling tasks, irrational beliefs, anxiety and stress. Inaction at times may prove to be worst action. Do not remain like an ostrich in dream life only. Follow these simple important steps to stop procrastination. Have clear achievable goals. How, what and when to do to achieve your goal. Set daily goals. Set sub goals. Schedule clear time frame and be organized. Eat an elephant one bite once. Focus on daily small improvements. Your goals must not allow you to rest for long. Take up one project at a time. Consistency is the key of success. Dream your goal achievement at night. Let your intuition find ways how to proceed. Live with that idea. Always think of those aspects. Let your subconscious mind find ways to implement your plans. When you get up early morning, let it force you to take these tasks on priority. Do not allow laziness or idleness to creep in. Think what is required to be done to avoid loss and do it. Setting deadlines. Action is more important. Only thinking and planning will not suffice. Divide your tasks and do the most important tasks early morning. Spare at least 15 minutes for the important tasks. Break your project in hour by hour tasks. So hourly routine to be fixed. Never tolerate to sidetrack any activity which you feel as important. Love what you do and do what you love. Love means doing something to satisfy others' interests, giving more importance to others. Be dedicated to complete tasks. Once you start one task, complete it. Dedication will remove scope for procrastination. Nothing can be a strong willpower. When you concentrate on particular activity, focus on it deeply. Leave all other works. Stay on it till you win over the situations. Never think for perfection. Do whatever best you can do. There's no end of perfection. Never quit trying. Try to complete your tasks on a regular basis, making it a habit. Be aware of distractions. Know the sources of distractions. Plan to avoid distraction, which may be from external triggers or internal triggers. Take a break and recharge yourself. Be more resilient. Be optimistic and try to complete the important hard jobs first. Do not compromise. Remind need for checking and taking up residual jobs at morning and evening. Never allow yourself to stay away from the accountability of getting things done. Listen to your favorite music and work with happy mind to complete your tasks at a stretch. Once you start a job and dedicate to continue, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter, and you get your flow of action. When you think of stepping back from works, think of past successes and happiness. It creates serotonin, which increases libido and helps to stabilize your mood. Practice self-compassion and self-persuasion. You can change the slope of procrastination to your advantage from starting to end tasks. Identify non-productive works. Eliminate time wasters like mindless, endless browsing. Do not accept false emergency. Realize what is most important for you. Practice time blocking. Follow your calendar. In view of the above statements, as I have explained now, try to realize where you are on the following points. Say, for example, are you disorganized? Are you perfectionist? Are you ready to face unpleasant consequences? Do you strategize to overcome failures? Do you have strategies to overcome failures? Are you dedicated to overcome bad habits? Can you recognize what you procrastinate? Do you find out why you procrastinate? Do you make any not to do list? Do you know DAD? Do you know your DAD? DAD. DAD is desire, attitude, and destiny. You cannot escape the responsibility of tomorrow by evading it today, as told by Abraham Lincoln. So follow these things and have a good life.